Welcome to Sketch TV. I hope you like our show. Our show is filled with funny humour and jokes. I hope you like it how we really do. So you better stay tuned. We really like our show, and we really hope that you like it too. Let's get things started. Let's get things started. Let's get things started for the most sensational, inspirational, fantastical, sketchy channel. This is what we call Sketch TV.
Oh, Mr. Blue, you do know how to make me laugh.
I know I do.
Yeah, but McDonald's is still the greatest.
Burger King is the best actually. Burger for quotation. Burger King, the king of burgers.
Look, king can mean anything. King of the castle, king of the hill, Burger King, king of fast food. And plus, McDonald's has always had the best mascots. You got a clown, a weird purple thing, and a Muppet bird. No offense.
Have they now? Don't even mention about the crown that represents the king in Burger King. We even give out free crowns at Burger King. And don't give me that talk.
Don't even try it, you fat.
That's rude. I've had enough of you. That's it. I'm leaving. And you'll never see me again if you're going to be rude like that. I'm out.
Sayonara? Wait, no, come back! Cat Patrol in perfect donuts. Everybody get down off the floor! It's what I'd be saying if I wasn't here for donuts. But seriously, everyone get down off the floor or else I'm gonna, arrest you if you don't give me donuts. Who's the donut lady here?
I'm the donut lady.
Oh, that's good. Because you better give me some donuts right now. You got that? I'll take 1 strawberry and 1 chocolate right now, or else you're arrested for refusing service to someone of the law. You got that, madam?
All right, fine. Here you are.
A Mock Cartoon Studios presents Lincoln Headshot. Hey, I just heard that Abraham Lincoln just got shot in the head. Oh, what a lucky guy. Well, I mean lucky guy because the show was pretty bad. Turtle and Eagle in Takk takes. Sure, Turtle. You don't think I'm taking advantage of the whole me and you like each other while Eagle's out of town, don't you think? And when she comes back, oh, she's gonna be piping. I'm not gonna worry about it really. I mean, she ain't coming back until I have no idea. But hey, meanwhile, at least me and you will have some alone time. Hey, I'm back. See what I mean, Talk? She won't return. Hey, Eagle. I got something to tell you. You know when you're gone for the past 3 weeks? Well, during that time, me and Turtle got frisky, if you know what I mean. Yeah, sorry you had to find out like this. We would have given you a postcard, but, you know, since you're here, I guess it's better if we just told you in person. And I guess this is like both of us coming out as gay, so yeah. My surgery romance in Insane in the Membrane.
I don't think he's going to make it without his brain, of course.
Well, whoop-de-doo, I got his brain right here. Brain! Passing out? Seriously? Well, I guess you could call me insane in the membrane. Dr. Beaker in A Beak or More. Why, hello there, friends. It is I, Dr. Beaker, and I'm here to announce the Robot Robot 2000. As you can tell with this close-up of the Robot 2000, he has a slick design that references retro 1980 robotic builds. The 80s, a magical time. Kaboom! Maybe I should have never mixed the computer programming with the diffusion center, and then maybe I should have never put the AI receptator with the robotic transmitter computer tranquilizer supposed to be. Bert and Chubb in cracking jokes. Hey, do you know why elephants ain't allowed in the swimming pool? I don't know. Why ain't elephants allowed in the swimming pool? Well, it's because they can't keep their trunks up. Military muscles in the Big Boom Plan. Man of the military, I say man. I heard that Alfred, the leader of the opposition, is planning something devious, man. Do you think that's a big problem, sir? I mean, there's many other big problems, but this one with Germany, I didn't have as a big problem, sir. You know, sir, I'm always bought for your elaborate, very expensive yet costly. I mean, there's the same thing, military plans. But, I mean, I gotta go for Agent White here. There's so many other things to worry about. Yeah, you worry about not so likely attack from the opposition. Man of the military! Looks like that evil German leader from the other side has brainwashed my man! This means it's time for drastic measures, man! Private! You better push the button, man! Okay, Sarge, but I'm a woman. Beep. Countdown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Kaboom! Man of the military, I say worth it! Oh, you've been watching Sketch TV!